A piecewise defined function has different definitions on different parts of its domain. The domain for each piece is normally indicated to the right of the definition on that part of the domain. So here's an example. F of x equals x minus 2 when x is less than -1, and 10 minus x when x is greater than or equal to -1. So to evaluate piecewise functions, we first determine which domain that the x value falls on, and then plug that x value into the appropriate definition of the function. Letter A says f of -3. -3 is less than -1, so we'll use the green defined function here. I'll say this is equal to -3 minus 2, and that gives us -5. F of 0, that is greater than -1. 0 is greater than -1. So we'll use the second definition, which is 10 minus x. We do 10 minus 0, and this gives me 10. F of -1, we have x is -1, so -1 is greater than or equal to -1. So again, we're using the second definition here, 10 minus -1. This is the same as 10 plus 1, and this gives me 11. Okay, our second example has 3 different domains. So it's 4 when x is less than -2. It's x squared plus 1 when x is less or greater than or equal to -2 or less than 1, so between -2 and 1. And it's 3 plus x when x is greater than or equal to 1. So looking at this, our first one here, x equals -4, that falls in the range where x is less than -2. So this is really just equal to this function here, which is 4. F of -2, that falls into the second domain, since it's greater than or equal to -2 here. And we'll plug in -2 into this second definition. So -2 squared plus 1. This gives me 4 plus 1, which gives me 5. The last one is 10, and 10 is greater than 1. So we use that third definition. We do 3 plus 10, which gives me 13.